Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. After check your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.